people should be in the center. But it is for you, I have said it, not for anybody else. It should be concentrated on yourself. The dharma is for ourselves. Mataji has said, I am surprised sometimes at what I am saying. So many people have this bad habit of going around saying, Mataji has said that this should be done. Mataji has said this should be done. I don't know if I have said it or not. But why do you say? You should say, I say. Why don't you say that I say as Sahaj Yogi? But it is all your own. It's your own clearing that is important in dharma and not anybody else's. There's a relationship between you and your guru, direct. Supposing you come and tell me something that Mataji, this is between you and me. That is between you and me, though I am not bound by it, not at all. If it is necessary, I may speak it out. But 99% I'll keep it that as a secret. So it is the secrecy of your own dharma. The beauty of it is like this. You see the subtlety. Sukshmat Bhaga. If you are a dharmic man, it's so sweet, you know. Suddenly you find this shine appearing, like a diamond suddenly, with all the facets. Suddenly you find a person, oh, what a beautiful man is. But you are not looking after yourself, looking after everybody's dharma. Then the same thing will happen. That the joy of dharma will only will be felt if you limit it to yourself. That cannot be shared. Virtues cannot be shared. Can I share my virtues with you? I cannot. You can support it. Somebody has a virtuous man, then you can support him. But the joy of that dharma, that rasa falling into your heart, nobody else can enjoy it. You enjoy your own chastity. It is of course written, ki thou shalt not do, thou shalt not do. These are all commandments have come, but they can come only from God, not from you. Once you start doing it to others, you are finished. You have lost the joy of your dharma. Now we have one Mr. Kulkarni here. His dharma is like that. There are many like Mr. Patil is there. So many like that. I mean, I don't want to name any more, otherwise Jay will start jealousy. But we have lots of people who have a dharma within them which just shows, suddenly. And you try to test them. They will just tell you, "But Mataji, त्याच्यात आमचं चुकेल तर." Absolutely on the point of dharma if you are. You will never teach dharma to others. Preaching religion is against religion. You cannot preach. How can you preach religion? I cannot understand. Till today I have not been able to understand. How can we preach religion? We can only evolve our own, imbibe our own. Except for the people who are incarnations. They can tell what is religion, but they cannot put religion into you. And when you start enjoying that religion within you, you start having that more and more within yourself. Then you start respecting yourself. Your self-respect comes. So, we take it to this, that religion is the respect. The neutralization of using religion for wrong things is respect. Respect every other person. Respect his religion. Respect the principles of other religion. Of religion I am saying. नहीं तो उठले नहीं लागले भूताच्या मागे. Again discrimination should be there. I am saying respect the religion that is within you and the religion in another person. Maybe secretly that person is very religious, outwardly he doesn't show off. All the centers, if I have to talk, it will be too much. सगळं सांगायचं का? काय? मजा येऊन राहिली? बरं मग एक आणखीन सांगते काम. Whatever you say, I have no desire. So we come to religion, which is a part of Nabi. The satisfaction of religion is only possible when you learn to respect other people, their religion, their style. Because in Sahaja Yoga very commonly, there is a Marathi word for that, kul. In English I don't know, a kink I think is the word. That he is catching there, she is catching there, that thing is catching, that thing is catching, is a crack in the head. For Sahaja Yogi it is very common. What is catching in you? Everybody is caught up by you and here you are. That person is catching there, that person is catching there, this person has this cat, that another has that cat. This is how Sahaja Yoga is going to improve or fall down. Without telling that person, without talking to him about it, you can correct his catches and your own. Why are you catching? Because you have some weakness. I never catch from anyone. So to denounce somebody or to put down somebody is not proper. That shows you have less strength. So you should say that, Mother, I have less strength and because that person has so much of this kind of a vibration, I feel a little bad. If the whole world is alright and then you are going to feel alright, then what's this of having this light? Just think of this. Then we'll say that alright, I am the light and I have to give light, I am a realized soul. But when all the lights are alright, then only I will be with them. So what a light and a half, what's the use of having such a light? We should have such light that can go in the darkness and finish that darkness. That light is the light of Dharma within us. It is not how many times you meditate, how many times you sit in the water, put your feet in the water, or use my photograph, or what you do and all these rituals. It is not that. It is how much Dharma is within your heart. Sharayu's mother is another very great example of that Dharma. There are so many of them, but I am mentioning all the senior people because you don't feel jealous of them much. So try to imbibe the Dharma within yourself. And then you will see eventually you will become a very generous-hearted person, very generous-hearted, because you start tolerating everyone. Even generous as far as money is concerned, that's something so gross. I mean, a person who is a conducer of money is absolutely gross. But beyond that is tolerating other people. There are some people who have a nice house, they don't want anybody else to come in. In London it's very common, I've seen in England, very common. They'll have a huge nice house, all the time they're cleaning, sweeping, swabbing, putting, polishing. Even rat won't enter that house. And they used to say, you have an open house or what? I said, yes, I mean you have a closed house. I didn't know what is a closed house. Say our comfort is ours, Saturday, Sunday should be our own and we cannot share it with anyone. That sort of a temperament. Then you start tolerating, you become generous. You start giving for others, giving vibrations. So, you know that I have told many people who catch on Navi or void that today you do some daan. So they will go and give it to Indira Gandhi because they want a seat in the election. This is the speciality of rational people. माताजींनी दान सांगितलं ना, मग झालं. So do some daan. There are so many places where one can give gifts. Of course, Sahaja Yoga is one of the greatest places where you should give daan. But there are so many places. But don't remember and go and tell them that, all right, I'll give you 5 rupees, but you will have to put my at least initials in the marble. Kanjusha. Put those initials of mine in the marble with the black. Generosity just flows. It flows and emits by itself and you just start enjoying it. Now, the most important chakra is that of the Jagadamba, is the heart. And this gives you joy. At a point where you have relationship with your children, Udara Charitanam Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The people who are generous, for them the whole world is their own children. For everyone the love flows. Everybody's worry is the worry of that person. This comes from the center heart, that you try to mother every person. That feeling is there. But the anti-joy people are, this is my son, this is my daughter. Now the son will bring a dowry, so keep some good food for him, and to the daughter give her some dahi bhat. Then goes little further. This is my son, this is my daughter. I must get all the money in the world, live like a miserly fellow, to spend in the marriage of my children. Oh. Then what happens to you? You are left high and dry, children go away, then don't even look at you. Then this is my father, this is my mother. This is my daughter, this is my son. And I have to look after them after all. So I can make some black market money. What is the harm after all? You see, I have to look after. This is rationality against the heart. The ones whom we so-called protect, we put them into sin. Go further. This is my son, this is my daughter. They must become prime ministers after me. Or they must get money. So what can I do? He is my son, he is looking after me, this is my son. He knows all the things that I have done. So, after all, even if the whole country goes to dogs, what does it matter? I am a mother, I am a father. I must look after my children. That's my first and primary duty. So the joy is absolutely killed because you see your children misbehaving, you see your children going to dogs. You see them going away from God, to hell. Many parents are responsible for sending their children to hell. They are supposed to be looking after their children.